What's up, motherfuckers?
Let's go, I'm hungry.
Alright, man, what's poppin', niggas? Welcome to the channel, man. My name Kevin.
And my name is...
I
can't say my own name.
Oh, relax, my nigga.
Alright.
Relax. Okay. Say your name, nigga.
My name is Rosie.
You know what I'm saying? We about to do this mukbang, bootbang, whatever the fuck y'all niggas...
I think it's called a mukbang.
Whatever y'all niggas call that shit. I mean, whatever y'all niggas call that junk, we gonna kill that bit, man. What the fuck am I talking about right now? Okay. So we about to go to Wendy's. Wendy's in the back. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna pay for she got that air talk. Alright, man. Yeah, but if y'all wondering, the song in the intro is from my boy Zach. Follow him on SoundCloud, OMA Zaci. You know what I'm saying? My nigga going up, real talk. We gonna put that the name of the goddamn.
It's gonna be right here.
We about to hit this mukbang. We out of here, nigga. Wait, what are you? I'm about to murk this bird.
We're going through the Wendy's drive-thru.
What do you get, dude?
I'm getting a number 7.
Hold up.
That's what I always get.
Yeah, can I get one of them? Junior bacon cheeseburger with no tomatoes and barbecue sauce, please.
No tomatoes and barbecue sauce beef nuggets.
Yeah, and can I get natural lemonade with that junk? And can I also get a number 7?
You want that small medium or?
Medium. And can I get a natural lemonade with that too, please? I'm trying to add another 4-piece nugget. Good looks. Hey, yo, my niggas, y'all follow us on the gram. My @ is san.kevo. Hers is...
It's Rosemary.Cabrera with 2 A's at the end of Cabrera. But it's going to be in the intro if you don't know how to spell it. Wait, they didn't give us our extra 4-piece nugget.
For real?
Yes, go back.
We're going back, bro. What the fuck? We on their ass, huh?
I need my...
Is it on the receipt?
Yes, it is. Double check. Oh, it is.
So it's there, nigga?
Yeah, it was under the chicken sandwich.
Alright, niggas, I got that mug. What I get? Oh, I got a 4 for 4. Bro, if you get a 4 for 4, you need a junior bacon cheeseburger, all natural lemonade, real shit. You know what I'm saying? You gotta pay extra though, but barbecue sauce with the chicken nuggets, because if you don't have the barbecue sauce, my nigga, you ass. Fat ass fries, yeah.
I got a number 7. It's a home style chicken sandwich. I get it every time.
Fat ass, yeah. Oh shit, the AC probably loud. My group, we started we started a channel. It's called Dysfunctional Delinquent, so I'm gonna need y'all to follow that channel. It's gonna be in the description. First vlog went up, and that shit go hard, bro. Y'all need to look at that shit.
It's so funny.
Oh yeah. Go up, babe.
We had like a water slide, whatever party. It was fun.
We was shooting each other with fireworks, but we didn't record that jump, bro. We forgot. But yeah, that shit lit. I need y'all to go there. Also, go to my boy's SoundCloud, OMA Zaci. Follow his music. That shit go hard. Y'all let us know what y'all want to see. We about to hit y'all with vlogs and challenges and shit. I don't know about no goddamn pranks, bro, because, you know what I'm saying? She got me fucked up, but... Y'all let us know what y'all want to see, bro. Flex.
You just missed it.
What?
I just freaking dropped it. I went like this and it fell all over me.
You got ranch on you, dude?
I know, that's what I just said.
Bro, Rosie eats like a nigga, bro. I swear to God, she do. She eat like a nigga for real.
And it's just so funny because, like, I'm so small. Like, I'm literally, like, not even 5 foot.
Probably already know, bro, but if you don't, bro, you get that burger, right? You gotta put the motherfucking fries on that joint. That's all. Put the fries on the burgers. Now you made the best burger of all time. You know what I'm saying? Look at that joint, bro.
Wait, let me show my
That shit heaven. Oh shit. And then I would have thought that.
That looks nice.
Not now.
Gotta put a little bit of ranch.
But yeah, with this channel, we just plan on doing a little bit of everything.
Yeah, we're gonna do vlogs. We're mostly gonna do vlogs though, like vlogging our day, right? And like challenges, I feel like.
Yeah.
But who knows? Maybe we'll do some other stuff.
Oh, you know what we can do? You know how they be doing? You guess the price. So what I'm gonna do?
You gotta pay?
I'm gonna take your ass to 5 and below, and we gonna do that shit. But you got me fucked up, right? What?
Everything is mostly $5. I'm putting everything in there.
There's gonna be a limit, my guy. Take your ass to 5 and below.
Limit?
You got 10 items, my guy.
That's $50.
Okay, it's $50, but
Limit?
I ain't take your ass to the mall.
Nah, but
Bro, I'm fucking this shit up right now. So, come up with our vlog name. Obviously, it's self-explanatory. We just put Kevin and Rosie together and make cozy. Shit, low-key go hard, you know what I'm saying?
cozy vlog.
I came up with the idea.
You didn't. I did.
Put on God.
We can go through our messages right now.
Go do it. Bro, what you doing?
You really gonna make me go through our messages?
Nah, bro. I came up with it and she knows.
I did. I said
Whatever, she got
we
it.
should do cozy
She got
vlogs.
it. She got it, bro. She got it. Bro.
Because at first it was what? Cannot.
Stop spitting, Jed. You gotta slow-mo that jump. But at first it was KNR.
Yeah, it was just KNR, but too many people had it and it just wasn't right.
Yeah, bro.
We just weren't feeling it, so I came
we
up
had to-
with cozy vlogs.
So I had to think about that jump a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I said cozy vlog. That shit went hard, bro. I'm bugging this shit up. Oh. If any of y'all niggas want to smoke, I am the best basketball player of all time. I'm the best shooter in Brevard County. If I niggas want to smoke, let me know. But I don't play for free, you know what I'm saying?
What I'm talking about.
Oh, I'm flying shit out. You don't live in the state, nigga, that's your ass, but I ain't flying you out. But nigga, we can play for 100,000 real talk. A game of 5. I get ball first. And if y'all niggas want in 2K, for real, I'm busting y'all ass. I for real play y'all in 2K. For a quick 5. Hey, my dog Rose be playing Fortnite too, bro. Real talk. I'm lying like shit. That all natural lemonade, the best drink at Wendy's. Motherfucking best drink anywhere. Bro, you know what, bro? Bro, y'all let me know, bro. Look. Not counting Chick-fil-A, bro, because that shit don't count. I don't see Chick-fil-A as fast food, bro. In my opinion, the best chicken nuggets in a fast food restaurant is Wendy's. My guy.
Wendy's.
Real talk, bro. Cause look,
I don't care what nobody says. McDonald's is trash.
McDonald's used to be fire. McDonald's fries and chicken nuggets.
You wanna know what the worst chicken nuggets is ever?
Say it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Burger King.
Yes, Burger
On that ass,
King.
wow, that shit is trash, nigga.
Literally, Burger King is disgusting to me.
That shit
Like
is
I
trash.
can't.
Hey, shout out.
And the chicken. Oh my god, that's why it's like what 10 for $1.
Yeah, bro, that shit like fucking 50 for 150. Bro.
Yeah,
Like,
no,
bro.
it is not.
No, the Whopper Juniors be going hard, bro. I know y'all niggas be eating that shit. That shit goes hard for real. Nah, but real talk, Wendy's got that shit. Other than Chick-fil-A, obviously, because Chick-fil-A is nigga, it's Chick-fil-A, bro. You damn, Jed. Hold on.
I would. It takes so long to eat.
For real, I already fucked my shit up, bro. I'm ready to
Say that word.
go. I already messed my junk up. I'm ready to go. I want you back.
We should play some music.
Are you on the horns, bro? Real ass bitch gave a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bad hoe 5'6". Who the best rapper in the world?
Me.
Not for real though. What?
I don't know. I don't really have a favorite rapper. Oh, I do.
Drake. Yeah.
Drake's.
Bro, relax, bro. What's wrong with you? You know what, bro? Yo, shout out, bro. Real talk.
Stop.
What you mean?
Don't start with me. Come on,
Drake.
play a song.
Bro, shout out my baby. What's her name?
Yeah, what's her name? What's her name?
Oh, shout out my baby Ariana Grande, bro. Bro, what you hating, bro?
That she's not a rapper, first of all.
Okay, but that bitch be.
Yeah.
That shit go hard, nigga.
Anyways.
Nigga. Shout out my baby Ariana Grande. I've been fucking with her since she was on that one show. That was Victoria's. Her name was Kat or some shit. Bruh, I thought she was about to say serious, dude.
No.
Bruh, I don't fuck with that shit anyways, bruh. And my dog Zach, man. My dog Zach. His Soundcloud on the bottom, this shit go hard, bro, real talk. And this ain't his only hard song. All his shit is hard, bro, real shit. He got like 6, 7 songs, something like that. Fuck with my dog, for real. Oh yeah. We not getting copyrighted by your bitch ass too. I know you hear me, nigga. Hey man, but we done, man. That Wendy's shit, it was straight, man. It was fine.
I give it a 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5, nigga.
How was your meal?
Shit, I give it a 4 out of 5.
Why?
Bruh, cause the goddamn barbecue, them niggas gave me 1 barbecue sauce, bruh.
Yeah, they did give me 1 ranch.
But look, y'all like, comment, subscribe, bruh. Let us know.
Hit that like button.
Let us know what videos y'all want to see. And we gonna get it to y'all real tall, nigga. We out this bitch.
I'm on top of the world. Deep pussy nigga can't stop me. Stop like Milwaukee. Put that pussy up like rocket. Go around my neck. Yellow diamonds, watch me flex. Niggas want my neck. So my shoulder keep a check. Shoulder keep a good.